I'm Nathan. This is my first time doing this, so I regret to inform you that I'm not doing a bilingual poem. I don't know any other languages, so this is solely English.
It's fine.
Right, cool. This is called An Apathy for Effort. What happened to the world? What happened to all the happy people? Drugs, money, booze? None of the above? I'll tell you what happened. People happen to people, but not others or to each other. People happen to themselves. Satisfaction becoming fiction, men and women losing a grip on their vision, not eyesight, but people forgetting the initial mission. The concept of being happy with what you got and worrying less about what you want. If everyone would just shut up and see how truly blessed they are, maybe they could see how truly blissful life could be. And what is bliss but a continuity with the whole? Not a hole in the wall, but to make it two halves. And if half the world could give half a hoot, we might experience bliss. But we all individually feel deserving of more. But you know what? We have what we work for. And nobody is willing to give more than a lift of a finger to attain. It's too much of a chore. We all expect the doors of life to open for us like a Walmart supercenter. Where's the effort? Where's that fighting spirit? It's taking a nap with all the hypocrites. All the men and women of the nation who spend their days feeling sorry for themselves. Those who left their aspirations in a mason jar high up on the shelves. Then claiming ignorance as to what happened to their dreams. But they know where they left them. Hanging on the seams of their memories, abandoned when it became too hard to work to achieve. It's a sad state of affairs when a man settles for his second choice of lifestyle because his first choice is having an affair with difficulty, making it fairly difficult. What is that man scared of? Failing? You only truly fail if you don't try. So instead he just settles for second best and lets his heart cry. And it cries, why? Why won't you try? He's scared. Scared to lose. That's why. But it's not as hard as that man thinks. He just has to go out and do it and he'll be happy for the rest of his life. But he's too busy pissing it all away. Sipping on his bottle of sour drowning firewater somewhere it's 5 o'clock. And as the whiskey burns, he attempts to content himself with his settlement. Living out his days with his mind and his heart in constant battle, wondering what could have been. What should have been. And so I beg of you, don't be another misfit or mishap. Be you and always be true. True to your heart and ideals. Don't be frightened by adversity, and don't ever lose your grip on what makes you, you.
Sure.